my love, it's Monica, and I'm going to show you how I made this. Okay, so let's start with the materials. So I'm using a 5-ply milk cotton yarn in white and red, and also a 4mm crochet hook. So grab those materials and let us start. So before that, I'm going to sketch it first because I wanted to have the vision of the project that I'm gonna do. So now it's crochet time. So I hope you're ready for us to do this because I surely am. So let's start with the slip stitch and chain 11. So it's really up to you on how wide your headband is, as long as you have additional one in the end. So after that, we're going to skip the one chain and make one single crochet on each chain. So you're going to repeat that until you've reached the end of the chains. And then turn your work. And for the first chain, we're going to make one single crochet on both loops. So you're going to do that on the first chain only. And on the second chain, you can see the front loop over here and the back loop across. So you're going to insert your hook into the front loop only. So you're going to make one single crochet in the front loop only. Then you're going to repeat this pattern until you've reached the second to the last chain. So when you've reached the last chain, you're going to make one single crochet but on both loops. So it's not on the front loop only. Okay, so you're going to repeat this pattern until you have 58 rows, or you could still have more rows on that depending on the size, of course, of your headband. And now, if you have reached your desired length, you're going to face the right sides together. And then we're going to slip stitch these ends. Okay, but you're going to insert your hook into the inner loops only. Then you're going to chain 1 and cut the excess yarns. Okay, don't forget to hide the yarns, of course, using our trick, wherein you're going to split the yarn into 2 threads and then tie them together so it's secure. Yay, that was so easy, right? So we're done with our base. So as you can see, you just need doing 11 chains for how many rounds and you're done. Okay, so let's add a few more tweaks to our headband. So I'm using this white milk cotton yarn, and also we're going to sew this. Okay, so using your thread needle, put in a substantial amount of yarn, and then you're going to tie the ends of the yarn. Of course, get the excess, and we're going to sew or draw a heart shape into the center of the headband. So for this part, I'm just sewing a heart shape into the center of the headband. So for my headband, I'm just doing a one heart shape. So if you would like to add more, you can always add into the other sides of the headband. Okay, so it's really up to you. Okay, so you have to be imaginative, be creative, darling. Okay. If you're satisfied with the heart that you've done, you're going to insert your needle inside the heart. So you're going to hide the excess yarn, so it does not ruin the static vibes of the headband, of course. And now we're done with the crochet headband. So it's so easy, right? So I hope you have learned something in this video. And why don't you tag me in my Instagram? Okay, so let's see you again in the next video. Bye bye.